How many fonts should you use in your ad and also on your website? In this video, we're going to discuss fonts, F-O-N-T-S. Those are typefaces on your website and on your ads. If you're designing anything, it is professional practice to use not more than two types of fonts. At most, you can use 3 if it really requires that. But typically, we would use 2. So the headline would be of one kind of font, and the body copy would be another kind of font. You would see similar things in newspapers as well. This is something that has been practiced in the design world and copywriting world for centuries. It differentiates the headline from the rest of the copy, and it makes reading a lot easier. So for the headline, always use bold, use something that is large and attractive. Use a point size and use a font that is present and current and also attractive. For the body copy, they're usually just very few. There's some with Times Roman and some were more of Arial style. You want to keep them simple, and you want to keep them the fonts legible as well. When it comes to colors, again, use no more than 2 colors. When you use more various kinds of fonts and colors, you make your ad or your design look very amateur. So to avoid that, less is more. My name is Joy Nandy. I'm the founder of the School of Digital Advertising. I hope that tip was useful. Should you want to visit our website and view our courses, our popular courses, our copywriting and content writing 2-day course. You may find details of that course on our website, which is www.schoolofdigitaladvertising.com. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great day. Bye-bye. 2 fonts.